Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by naming what you feel and measuring it. That's the quickest leverage. Identify triggers, rate intensity 0-10, and record the context so you can see patterns. Once done, set a 5-10-minute daily reflection window, short, consistent, non-judgmental, so you build evidence against reactive habit. Make sure to include one immediate action. Pause and breathe for 6 counts when you feel defensiveness. This first step gives you a reliable signal to interrupt ego-driven reaction. You now move into interpreting what the baseline told you and changing your internal script. Ask, what fact do I know? What am I feeling? What value is at stake? This separates ego noise from useful info. Then reframe twice, first with curiosity, then with a longer-term perspective, so you generate alternatives to attack or withdrawal. Once rehearsed, script 1-2 calm responses to use live. Make sure to role-play briefly, so those responses become automatic under stress. You finish by turning this into a habit loop. Practice in low-stakes situations, review weekly, and gradually take on harder interactions. Once comfortable, scale exposures so your new responses hold under pressure. Make sure to log wins and slips. That feedback refines your scripts and reframes. If things go wrong and you feel hijacked, use a simple troubleshooting tip. Immediately reduce the stakes, physically step back or ask for a pause, and do a 1-minute breathing reset before re-engaging.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.